Okay, y'all, so the funniest part about this is that I tried to use the real curlers and I did this one really good, and I don't know how I did it really good, but I was so excited that I did this one good, and the rest of them were not nowhere near as good as that one. So in this video you'll see me switch from the real curler to the wand curler. Okay, so right here, y'all, I noticed that my hairline was a little thick, so I decided to pluck it, which I did not do on camera, but I decided to pluck it and do me some baby hairs, and I brushed most of my curls that I had in my hair out, so I recurled it.
Lonnie gang? So it's your girl Lonnie24K, and I'm here with another video. The inches that I have, y'all, is 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. And I think that's right. If I'm wrong, all the information to this hair will be in the description box down below. But yes, y'all. So as you guys see, I curled my hair like 2 different times, and I don't think I was doing it right. But I curled it and I fixed my hair and I made me some baby hairs or whatever, y'all. Like, I tried to or whatever. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Don't look at it right there. So that's what it looks like right there. And I threw me some little curls in there or whatever. I was going for like a loose wave kind of look, and I guess I kind of got it. I don't know. I don't really know how to curl my hair, y'all. I just be doing something. So whatever curl this is, it'll work, because it's like 3 o'clock in the morning and I need to go to bed. But I was like, I'm cute, why not record a video? So here I am. And the hair is like so soft, y'all. It's so pretty. And I know you guys are like, okay, yeah, but it looks thin. I do not like thick hair. So if you guys look at any of my other videos, I've always put like all 3 bundles in the hair because I just thought that that's what you're supposed to do. And I would always wonder, why the hell is my hair so thick? Like, I don't like my hair looking thick. Like, especially when I get ready to straighten it, I want thin hair. Unless it's like curly hair, then I want thick. Then I want it to be thick. Or if I want that type of hair thick, but I wanted this a little thinner than usual. So I have a whole bundle left. Well, not a whole bundle, but most of the whole bundle left. And yeah, so that's why it's not as full as it would normally be, because I don't like my hair that thick. But this is some really beautiful hair, y'all. It's so soft, it curls good. And yeah, I'm sure it's gonna straighten good when I decide to straighten it. I'm gonna get ready for bed, so don't be talking about me, y'all. I am 5'8", 5'9", so this is a 24-inch on me, which is pretty long to me, y'all. That's long. And yeah, that's gonna be all. Bye, Lonnie gang.